Hey there, fellow busy bees. Are you constantly struggling to find the time to keep your house clean? No worries. I've got some amazing speed cleaning tips just for you. Tip number 1. Start with a clear plan of action. Before you begin cleaning, make a checklist of the tasks you need to complete. Tip number 2. Divide and conquer the mess. Instead of tackling the entire house at once, focus on one room or area at a time. Break it down into smaller tasks and conquer them one by one. Tip number 3. Set a timer and energize yourself. Challenge yourself to complete a specific cleaning task within a set time limit. Blast some upbeat music and get moving. Reward yourself after each completed task to keep your motivation high. Don't forget to involve your entire family in the cleaning process. Small efforts from everyone can make a big difference. By following these tips, you'll have a sparkling, clean and organized home that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on this cleaning journey together. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video with more cleaning tips and hacks. Like this video if you found it helpful and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!